Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 19th of April right now. It is almost 10:30 at the moment. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit my subscribe button and change my notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So quick update, I have a pelvic plane appointment this afternoon at 3:30, but they actually called me half an hour ago and was like, can you do the appointment now because we've had a cancellation. So I took a break from work and yeah, I've been able to get that appointment over and done with, so that yeah, it's done. The pelvic pain clinic has really been helping me. I've been seeing them for about 2 years, I think it is, maybe even a little bit longer than 2 years. And I want to say that a lot of my progress has been massive props to them. So advice from them has really helped. So today we just set a goal of to go back to the pools, and they want me to try and do 4 days a week. That's a lot. I'm gonna aim for 2 days a week for now. I think I'll start off with 1 day a week and then increase it to 2. Then once I'm comfortable with 2, then I might increase it to 3 and then 4, because I think trying to jump straight into 4 is a bit unrealistic for me. Hey guys, quick check-in again. I just got a parcel in the mail, so I thought I would show you. It's not really much light in here, sorry. So my Fitbit Versa 2 watch, I have this band on it currently and it's about to snap. Not sure if you can see that. So I wanted to really buy another one of these because this is really good for my hot flushes and stuff, like I can breathe through all the little holes. But they don't have them anymore in this style because now it's a Fitbit Versa 3. They've done a new one. So I found this website, it's called ozstraps.com.au, and I ordered 2 straps from them. They were $50 each. So I thought I would show you. This is the first one I got. Let me open it so that I can actually show you. Okay, so this is the first one. It comes with the little pieces to pop it into your Versa, and this is what it actually looks like. So you can see it has like little diamonds just there, and yeah, then that's like a rose gold band all the way through and then diamonds on the end again. So I thought I could use this as more of like an everyday wearing one. It is meant to be stainless steel. I shouldn't have a reaction to it because I am allergic to a lot of metal. But then I also got a second one for like going out. So this one is for the Versa, and again it is in like the rose gold, and it came in this cute little packaging. How cute is this? So let's open it up. So it has the little pieces again, but this is the little edges, and then it's just got like a dangly little part here, and you can make it tight or loose as you need it. But I thought that would be super cute for going out and still like nice and breathable. So it'd basically sit like that, and then yeah, like have the dangly part. Obviously I'd make it tighter so it wouldn't move around too much, but I thought these were super cute. So I'll let you know how I go with them, and I'll show you when I change it. I am going to probably try and wear this one until it completely breaks. But yeah, I thought that was exciting, so I thought I would show you guys those. Hey guys, quick check-in. I'm actually doing a wear test at the moment for Lumibux. So I'm doing a test for the lips and both eyes. They're different. I've done them at home because I'm not going anywhere. So that I could get them done on the same day and hopefully get the video out sooner rather than later, because the Lumibux has only arrived yesterday. So this morning I got up super early and filmed the unboxings of the Lumi boxes, and then I took my eyeshadow and lipstick off and redid this for my lunch break today. So I'm now wearing it to see how it wears. Hey guys, quick check-in. Welcome to Wednesday, 21st of April. Just about to head out to the shops with the mother-in-law. It is almost 11 a.m. This is my makeup for the day today. I'm trying out some Lumi Box products, but I will check in later. Bye guys. Hey guys, quick check-in. We're just at the pub. We're having some lunch and then we're gonna do some more shopping. I'll check back in later. Bye. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Thursday, April 22nd. I've just finished work. It is 3:30 at the moment. I haven't finished completely. I do need to keep going back and checking and making sure that one of my tickets is done. But I'm just sitting on the couch at the moment watching some YouTube whilst I wait for that. Not much really to check in on. I finished editing my Lumi Box video mainly last night, and then I just did a quick watch through again today before posting it. I posted it at lunchtime today. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is actually Friday 23rd of April. Yes, I have yesterday's shirt back on again. I'm about to do some gardening. I didn't want to dirty a clean shirt, so I put on a dirty one so that it can just go in the wash. So yeah, I'm about to do some lawn mowing, and I think I'm gonna have to spray some weed killer in the pool area because that's getting overrun with weeds again. I have some other weeds that I need to pull up. We'll see how I go. My biggest thing is to mow the lawns first, and then if I've got any energy, if my body can move afterwards, then I'll tackle like the weeds and everything. But let me show you what I'm starting with. It has been, I think, 6 or 7 weeks now since I've mowed the lawn, so don't judge. So this is the lawn before. This is the backyard, and Evie, we've set up a temporary thing for the pool because they still haven't fixed the pool pump. So yeah, we've just run a temporary extension cord down into the shed, but the shed has to stay open so that the pool is getting some movement and doesn't keep going green. How cute is my orange tree? Can you see there's like little green oranges on there? Yes, I know I need to do my nails. I'll do that today. Lemon tree is that one there. It's really not going anywhere. Next door's tree's doing pretty good as well. So this is what it looks like now that I have mowed. It's not nice and tidy on the edges yet though, because my whippersnapper died, so I can't get Morgan's one to start, so he's gonna have to do that. But how good is it growing? Like, this is almost gone now. Very exciting. And the front, I forgot to film it before, but this is now mowed. We've still got heaps of work here, unfortunately, but along there's come up really nice, and even over this side. Hey guys, so I am all showered now. I stopped in the garden. It's a bit too sunny out there now. We all know what happens if I spend even a second in the sun. So I've decided to do a bit of a beauty day, relaxing. I'm just doing some editing, watching some YouTube. It is almost 12 o'clock now, but I've decided, yeah, I'm gonna do some masks. So I'm gonna do this peppermint foot mask, this 24 karat gold hand mask, and the Neutrogena Purifying Boost 100% Hydrogel mask. This one, so it's a sheet mask. So I'm just gonna sit here watching YouTube doing those, and then probably have some lunch and yeah, just edit and watch YouTube for the rest of the day. I've already exfoliated. I've taken my nail polish off. I'll probably put a nail mask on overnight. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably chat to you guys tomorrow now. Hey guys, quick check-in. I'm just sitting on the couch. I've got my babies here. They're all cuddled up to me, so I'm like in the most awkward position, but I don't want to move because they're being so cute. I snuggle. Look at them. They're so beautiful. So yeah, quick update. Breaking news. Perth is going into lockdown for the next 3 days. Fun times. Hey guys, quick check-in. I don't think I vlogged at all yesterday. My apologies. I sat there and I edited 3 videos, uploaded them, did the thumbnails, did all the writing and everything for it on YouTube. So that is all scheduled. One of the videos went live yesterday, and then I've scheduled the other 2 for Wednesday and Friday next week. So those are already up and ready to go live, and scheduled. And then I started editing the vlog, what you're watching right now. I haven't done much of the vlogs though, because I spent a lot of time on the other videos. Watched a lot of YouTube whilst I was doing that. Cut up all the salad for the week. Did a pile of washing. What else did I do? I don't know, I just did lots of like chores, and I pretty much spent the day in like a singlet and leggings and just chilled out and yeah, did chores, seeing as we can't go anywhere. But shows what I need to catch up on videos. Those 3 videos I filmed about a week or 2 ago and hadn't edited them, so just needed to go into lockdown. Right now I am currently about to film a reel for Instagram, using the Rockin' Moroccan palette from the Lumi box. I'm gonna try and do a green and brown look with the palette today. So I did pop up on my Instagram some questions, so I asked for some video ideas that you guys want to see in the future and some color combos. So yeah, green and brown was one of the color combos that actually got requested twice, so I thought, well, better do that one. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. My hair's all messy, so all dirty, so I've got it up in a bun. I didn't want to wash it because I am going out to help Morgan on site tomorrow. So there's no point in washing it today and then having to wash it again tomorrow. We are going to attempt spud shed because we're out of like fresh fruit and veggies. Sunday is normally our shopping day at the moment, so going into lockdown we're like, we have 3 nights worth of dinners left, and what do we do if it gets extended? There was another case yesterday, so it's highly likely that it's going to get extended. But hopefully there's no more cases. I'm praying for everyone. But yeah, that's pretty much it to check in on. I really don't know if I will bring you along to anything today because we're literally going to spud shed. We're only going because we need food. So yeah, we have to brave it. We have to wear masks. It is compulsory, and we are allowed out to get shopping, so that's all we're going to be doing. Morgan's just doing some paperwork, or it sounds like he's just finished, for his business. And then it's pizza night today. We're making homemade pizzas for dinner, so excited for that. Vlogging, you can be in this part. I don't know. He has just grabbed some of his clothes that I cleaned yesterday but haven't folded. I love having a spare room because I can hide them in there until I'm ready to fold them.
I'm gonna get your little monkey.
It's just got...
Take that.
Oh, don't put on my eyebrows. I just do my brows. Right there.
You're sweating your ass off.
Am I?
Yeah.
It is hot in here. I haven't got the doors open because I'm filming. The girls are on the floor behind us. Hey guys, quick check-in. So this is the look that I did for my reel. Absolutely love it. It is so pretty. Anyways, I've got the hiccups. We are off to Spud Shed, so I will maybe check in later. Bye guys. Hey guys, quick check-in. My makeup is looking quite patchy right now and rubbing off my nose. That's because I've been wearing a mask. We ended up going to Spud Shed. My lash is lifting as well, ignore that. We went to Spud Shed, got a few things, went to Bunnings because I needed a hat for work tomorrow and Morgan needed to get some buckets for work. So we did that. We're now home. It is 4:30 p.m. Hey guys, so we're just making pizzas. So the pizzas are about to go in the oven. Let me turn you around. So there's Morgan's pizza. His is loaded with meat. And mine is chicken and camembert, baby tomatoes, baby spinach. Yo! So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!